Hey Ian, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things that you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, what's in it for me and why I'm doing this? Well, the answer is simple. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can truly benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone to help them out is they're not really sure who is and isn't an expert. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they could do themselves to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Hey Craig, I like you. Please help me." So, by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this plan that I give you today and do it all on your own, that totally works for me. So, let me show you 3 things that set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your or my time. So the first thing we're going to go over is content quantity. So, I looked at your website and I plugged in a tool called SEO Quake here. And I can see that you have about 450 words. Now Google has released it to be fully compatible and optimized within their system. They want to see a minimum of about 1,500 words on that home page. So with you running a little shy of that, you want a lot shy, you want to have about 1,000 more words. And it's going to really help bring just, the content up, the quality, which will be my second point, and I'll get to in a second. So the quantity is important. So I just looked for Chimney Repair Milwaukee, and we can see here that the first actual website, not BBB or Angie's List, is going to be this Chimney Repair Milwaukee right here. I ran them in SEO Quake, and we can see that they have 1583, so they're meeting that minimum threshold. Now the next point I want to talk about is going to be the content quality. As we can see here, we can see all of their keywords that they're being listed with. And their top are Chimney, Repair, and Milwaukee, the exact thing that I looked for. So as you can see, it's very important to make sure that you have the quality of content that you want to match that content quantity. The reason being is when they scrub the pages, Google is going to pull the most relevant sites. And as you can see, they're most relevant. Your top 3 are Repair, Brick, and Stone, but as you can see, the numbers are way less. So just add content quantity and quality. Now the third thing is most important in getting this number 1 spot, and that's going to be your off-site SEO. When we're talking about that, there's a lot that goes into it, but today I just want to talk about backlinking and link juice. So you have none. So what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website. For example, Site A has a backlink towards Site B. So Site B will get some of the link juice or power from Site A. And it gives Google, like in their eyes, that your site has authority. It's almost like a popularity contest. Why this is so important is because it gives you power in the DR and UR, which is basically your website's full power. And the higher the power, the higher the ranking. So let's look at your competitor. As you can see, they have more than zeros with 719 backlinks, and they're drawing in about 47 clicks a month. So as you can see, it directly equates to your ranking, and that ranking definitely equates to more clicks. And more clicks, you got it, makes more money. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed the importance of content quantity and having a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed content quality and how you want to make sure not only do you have enough content, but that content is going to have things that Google can find you to pull to the top when people are looking for your work. Thirdly, we discussed the importance of offsite SEO via backlinking and link juice, and how you need to have more relevant sites pointing at you than your competitors. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could easily start growing across Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all the information I gave you today and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the more effective route and you want to see what other tools I have that can help you grow, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thank you. Have a good day.